Good morning, everyone. I'm Monica from TYBSC. Today, I'm going to present another one PPT presentation on the Research Center of India. First of all, we can see what is Research Center in short. Research Center is an establishment founded for doing research. Here, doing different types of research and studies by the different scientists, researchers, and students. There are many that are located in all over the India, like Advanced Material and Process Research Institute, Bhopal, Central Building Research Institute, Roorkee, Center for Cellular Molecular Biology, Hyderabad, Central Drug Research Institute, Lucknow, Central Electrochemical Research Institute, Karkoidi, Central Food Technology Research Institute, Mysore, Central Electronic Engineering Research Institute, Pilani, Central Glass Ceramic Research Institute, Kolkata, Central Institute of Medicine Aromatic Plants, Lucknow, Central Institute of Mining and Fuels Research, Dhanbad, Central Leather Research Institute, Chennai, Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute, Durgapur, Central Road Research Institute, New Delhi, Central Scientific Instrument Organization, Chandigarh, Central Salt Marine Chemical Research Institute, Bhavnagar, fourth Paradigm Institute, Bangalore, Institute of Geomics and Integrative Biology, Delhi, Institute of Himalaya Bioresearch Technology, Palampur, Indian Institute of Chemical Biology, Kolkata, Indian Institute of Chemical Technology, Hyderabad, Indian Institute of Integrative Medicine, UT of J&K, Indian Institute of Petroleum, Dehradun, Indian Institute of Textology Research is Lucknow, Institute of Marines and Material Technology, Bhubaneswar, National Aerospace Laboratories, Bangalore, National Botanical Research Institute, Lucknow, National Chemical Laboratory, Pune, National Environmental Engineering Research Institute, Nagpur, Northeast Institute of Science and Technology, Jorahat, up to Structural Engineering Research Center, Chennai, and so on. But in our nearby location, there is National Chemical Laboratory, Pune, and second is IIT Bombay. So today we can see these two research center in details. First is National Chemical Laboratory. This is the campus of National Chemical Laboratory, Pune. Location: the National Chemical Laboratory (NCL) is an Indian government laboratory based in Pune, in Western India, popularly known as NCL, a constituent member of Council of Scientific and Industrial Research (CSIR) India. NCL was established in 1950 in Pune, Maharashtra. First, we can see the previous directors of NCL, which was they worked as the director of NCL. First is Dr. Srivari Chandrasekhar. His working year was 27 November 2020 to 31st March 2021. Dr. Srivari Chandrasekhar complete BS and MSc degree from Osmania University, Hyderabad in 1982 and 1985 respectively, and obtained PhD in chemistry from CSI and IICT Hyderabad in 1991 under the supervision of Dr. A.V. Raman Rao. Second is Professor Ashwini Kumar Nanjia. His working year was 2016 to 2020. Professor Ashwin Kumar Nanjia is obtained MSc in chemistry from IIT Kanpur in 1983. He was awarded PhD degree from Yale University in 1988. After receiving PhD, he worked in NOCIL, Ergochemicals R&D Centers, Navi Mumbai for years, and then joined the University of Hyderabad as a lecturer in 1989, where he rose the position of Professor of Chemistry in 2001. He took the charge of Director of CSIR NCL in 2016. Next is Dr. Vijay Mohan Pillai. Dr. Vijay Mohan Pillai has completed BS and MSc degree from University of Kerala in 1980 and 1982 respectively, and obtained his PhD in electrochemistry material science from Indian Institute of Science Bangalore in 1991. Next is uh, Dr. Saurav Pal. Dr. Saurav Pal obtained the integrated master degree in chemistry from Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur in 1977 and PhD from Kolkata University in 1982. He joined CSIR NCL in 9th December 1982 and became the 9th director of CSIR NCL in 2010. Then Dr. S. Sivaram. Dr. S. Swaminathan Sivaram is a polymer chemist, mentor, and science manager of distinction. Dr. Sivaram has over 40 years of the experience in basic research, process and product R&D, and S&T management, both in industry and academia. He is widely recognized for his contribution to polymer science, technology development, institution building, and management of innovation in publicly under organization. Next is Paul Ratansamy. Dr. Paul Ratansamy was born in June 11, 1942. He had his higher education in BSc 1961, MSc 1963, and PhD 1967 at the Loyal College Madras. He subsequently joined the Clarkson College of Technology, Patsham, in New York as a postdoctoral fellow with Professor Dr. Rosenthal, and then moved to the Catholic University of Lyon, Belgium, as a research associated under the Professor J.J. Freeplant in 1969-72. After that, the Dr. R.A. Mashelkar was born in 1943. After doing his PhD from Bombay University in 1969, he occupied the various academic positions in Europe and USA, namely literature in chemical engineering of University of Salford in England in 1969 and 76, and visiting professor at University of Denver in 1975 prior to returning to India. Next, Dr. L.K. Doraiswamy. Dr. L.K. Doraiswamy received his BS from the University of Madras and his PhD at the University of Wisconsin. He joined NCL in 1954. By the time he retired in 1989, Doraiswamy had received as the first non-chemist director at NCL. After that, Professor B.D. Tilak. Professor Bal Dattatreya Tilak was born on September 26, 1918. He graduated in chemistry from SP College, Pune in 1933, in textile chemistry from the Department of Chemical Technology, Bombay in 1939. He later obtained the PhD degree in textile chemistry in 1943. Professor Tilak also taken the DPhil organic chemistry in 1946 and DS in 1960 degrees from the Oxford University. Professor Tilak carried out postdoctoral research under the Professor Sir Robert Robinson, lecturer and president of Royal Society, and Professor R.B. Woodward, Nobel literate and Harvard University. After that, Professor Venkatraman. Professor Venkatraman had the distinction of the being first Indian director of NCL, born in 1901. He obtained his PhD under the supervision of Nobel literature Sir Robert Robinson and a DS from the University of Manchester, UK. Joined the Forman Christian College, Lahore in 1929. He became the director of University Department of Chemical Technology, Bombay, 1938. Even before he took over the director in 1957, he was associated NCL as the member of planning committee, the special committee constitute of choosing the site for the laboratory. This association conducted later when he was chairman of the Chemical Research Committee and NCL Executive Council. After that, Professor I.G. Finch, Gregor Ingle French was born in Orange in New South Wales in 4th August 1888. He studied in ETH Zurich from 1906 and 1991 and later at the University of Geneva. His existence scientific activities were recognized by his appointment in 1936 to the chair of the applied physical chemistry, a post he held until his retirement in 1952, became a director of NCL. After that, Professor J.V. McBain, born on March 2022, um, born on March 2022, 1882 in Chatham, New Brunswick, Canada. Dr. J.V. McBain has educated in Rhodes, Iceland in his early years. Dr. McBain had his training for bachelor and master's degree at the University of Toronto, where he obtained AB in 1903 and MA in 1904. Dr. McBain obtained PhD degree in 1906 and soon after actively associated himself with plans for the new University of Bristol, England, where he joined as a lecturer in physical chemistry. In 1927, Dr. McBain accepted an invitation from the Stanford University, California, as a professor of chemistry. Now, the director of NCL is Dr. Ashish Kishore Lele. Dr. Ashish Kishore Lele has taken over the charge as the director of CSIR NCL Chemical Laboratory, Pune. Prior of this, Dr. Lele was senior VP head Advanced Material and Alternative Energy Group at the Reliance Industrial Limited. Dr. Lele has authored 75 research papers in international peer-reviewed journals and 6 patents. He has supervised 17th PhD. Ashish Kishore Lele is an Indian chemical engineer, rheologist, and the chief scientist at the National Chemist Laboratory, Pune. He is known for his research on micro and mesostructure of polymers and is an elected fellow of Indian Academy of Science and the Indian National Academy of Engineering, the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Lele, born on 3 April 1967 in Maharashtra, graduated in chemical engineering from the UDCT in Mumbai in 1988. He moved to the US for doctoral study at the University of Delaware, UD, from where he secured a PhD in 1993, simultaneously working as a research assistant at the university. Dr. Ashish Lele work and research. He was the first scientist to elucidate the amoeba-like dynamics of rings polymers and propose the main field theoretical framework of specific weak polymer interaction in gel for the first time. He developed tailored molecules of the stimuli response smart hydrogel. This is the super absorbent hydrogel. Okay, after that we can see what is exactly NCL and its basic information. CSIR National Chemical Laboratory Pune is a research development and consulting organization with a focus on chemistry and chemical engineering. There are approximately 200 scientific staff working here. The Interdisciplinary Research Center has wide research scope and specializes in polymer science, organic chemistry, catalytical materials, catalytical material chemistry, chemical engineering, biochemical science, and process development. It uses good infrastructure for measurement science and chemical information. There are about 400 graduate students pursuing research awards doctoral degree. About 50 students are awarded PhD degree every years, and young talent pools adds every few years. Work and achievement of NCL. NCL published over 400 research papers annually in the field of chemical science and over 60 patents worldwide. It is a unique source of research education, producing the large number of PhDs in chemical science within India. NCL researchers are the first Indians to receive the Merck Young Scientist Award 2019 in chemical sciences recently at Bangalore Institute of Merck. Okay. There are many research group in NCL, physical and materials, chemistry, catalysis, chemical biology, biometric chemistry, chemical engineering science, complex fluids and polymers engineering, heterogeneous homogeneous catalysis, industrial flue molding, material chemistry, nanomaterial science and technology. This is some pictures of NCL Pune. Okay. Another research center is IIT Bombay, means Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. This is the campus of IIT Bombay. Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, IIT Bombay, is a public technical and research university located in Powai in Mumbai. IIT Bombay was founded in 1958. In 1961, the Parliament decreed IITs as an institute of national importance. A committed from by the government of India recommended the establishment of 4 higher institute of technology to set the direction for the development of technological education in the country in 1946, planning being in 1957, and the first batch of 100 students was admitted in 1958. Since its establishment in Powai, in the institute has physically expanded to include more than 584 major buildings with a combined area more than 2.2 kilometers square. The history of IIT Bombay. IIT Bombay was the second Indian Institute of Technology to be established in 1958 with the assistance from UNESCO and with funds contributed by the Soviet Union. UNESCO agreed to provide equipments and technical experts mainly from the Soviet Union, while the government of India accepted that the responsibility for all other expenses, including the cost of the building projects and recurring expenses. The site chosen for the institute was Powai with an area of 550 acres, means 2.2 kilometers square, which was given by the Mumbai state government. Whilst construction was being completed, the first academic session of the institute opened on 25 July 1958 at its temporary home at the Synthetic and Art Silk Milk Researches. Okay, let's see more about the campus of IIT Bombay. The IIT Bombay campus having the area about 545 acres located at Powai in East Mumbai between the Virar and Powai lakes. The campus is divided into clusters of buildings. The academic area chiefly comprise the main buildings, various department of N6s and auditoria. All department N6s are connected by the corridor named Infinity Corridor. Beyond the convention hall lie most the hostels. There are total 18 hostels. Due to the proximity to the Sanjay Gandhi National Park, the campus has significant green cover and is mostly untouched by the pollution of the rest of the city. The proximity of the campus, the national park, has also led to occasional sightings of panthers and leopards. On July 9, 2018, IIT Bombay was confirmed the status of Institute of Enemies and the Ministry of Human Resource and Development, along with 5 other institutes in India, which would provide it additional anatomy and government funds. Some pictures of IIT Bombay campus. Okay, let's see more about the academics of IIT Bombay. The institute conducts educational programs leading to the degrees of Bachelor of Technology BTech, Bachelor of Science BSc, dual degree BTech and MTech in 5 years, Master of Science MSc, Master of Technology MTech, Bachelor of Design BDS, Master of Designs BDES, Master of Business Administration MBA, firmly Master of Management, Master of Philosophy MPhil, and Doctor of Philosophy, PhD in various areas. Every year, IIT Bombay awarded degrees BTech, MTech, dual degree, M degree, MSc, PhD to more than 1,000 students. The undergraduate students at IIT Bombay are selected through the joint entrance examination of the IITS. The graduate students are selected through the GATE, Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, conducted by IITs or IISc on the behalf of MHRD. MHRD means Ministry of Human Resource Development. At a given time, the campus is home to more than 6,000 people, in that students, professor, and non-academic staff also. Thank you. And